The Expedition Sewing Awl is a tiny but mighty repair tool. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, it's meant for fixing heavy-duty gear in the field like backpacks, tents, or even boots. It comes with everything you might need for a repair, step-by-step instructions, a pre-wound bobbin of gray recycled polyester thread, and 2 number 23 industrial needles. One needle is pre-installed and the other nests inside the body of the awl as a backup. Pro tip, if you need a finer gauge needle for your repair, any size industrial sewing machine needle will fit in the awl. The awl is made from 100% recycled nylon and has an ergonomic shape so you can push through thick, tough materials. Changing the needle is easy. Simply unscrew and push the needle out. Never used an awl before? Let me show you how. So to get started threading your awl, you're going to unscrew the needle and remove your spare needle. And then we'll unscrew the bottom cap and take your bobbin and pull a length of thread. Slide your bobbin into the body of the awl and into this bobbin slot. Reattach the bottom cap. I'll take the end of my thread and slide it into this thread guide. Then I'll put my spare needle back inside, tighten my needle. Now I'll thread my needle from the flat side towards the curved side and pull it all the way through. Now I'm ready to start stitching. To start your repair, puncture the fabric, then pull the thread all the way through the hole and take the needle back out. Make a second hole and pull the needle out part way so there's a small loop of thread. Guide the loose end of the thread through the loop. Take the needle out and tighten the stitch by hand. Keep making stitches, and when you're done, cut and knot the ends. For more help, read the instructions in the box or go to our product care and repair page. Toss this handy tool in your pack and forget about it until you need it. The Expedition Sewing Awl might just save your trip.